got into editing when I was 11 years old and started making short films with my friends just in the backyard. I'd throw the footage into iMovie, and pretty quick I just clicked in. I was like, I like this a lot. My favorite part about editing, and this is gonna sound weird, is probably writing. I studied creative writing in college. You know, that was my real focus. I love storytelling. They say every film is written 3 times: in the script, when you're shooting it on set, and then in the edit. I do truly believe that the editor is the final author of any film. So you have to elevate everything that you get. And most of all, you can't let yourself be a slave to what was on the page or what they tried to shoot on set. You have to take what you actually got and make the best with what you got.
It makes no sense to edit under this. It's really distracting, but it looks good.
Wanna try? When it comes to computers and especially editing, I've always been an early adopter. You know, I always want to try out that new app or device that's going to keep me in that flow state and help me get the projects done faster. So obviously I was excited to try out the Pilot Pro. First thing I found was that scrubbing my timeline was a lot more fun. With that dial, you can just spin it and it just goes. And it might look like you wouldn't have the kind of granular control you want, but it has this built-in haptic feedback so you can sense how far you're turning each dial. Doing precise things like color grading becomes a lot more intuitive. And I love that when I'm in DaVinci Resolve, I can just hover my mouse over any of the color controls, and the Pilot Pro software automatically highlights it and lets me adjust that individual parameter with the knobs and dials on the Pilot Pro, which makes it so much faster and so much more fun to do color. And then back in Premiere, I love setting up shortcuts for annoying things like audio cross dissolves and being able to zoom in and out of the timeline easily, raise and lower tracks. But really the big advantage is having so many controls at your fingertips, so many options. You can customize it to exactly the way you want to work, which is a big pro. The edit is kind of the victory lap of the project. You've taken months of work and tons of money and all this creative energy that was put into this one project. All of that is right there at your fingertips. And best of all, you don't have all that financial pressure. You're not racing the sun. And as the editor, you get to decide what ultimately matters from all of that work that went into this film. The thing that keeps me coming back to make more films and videos and always be in a state of editing something is it keeps you in a permanent state of discovery. It keeps you curious about the world, and it keeps you looking for ways to connect things together that wouldn't normally be connected.